Okay students, now we'll start with the exercise 1.3. The question is put sign of greater than, smaller than and equal to. Children, last year only I have explained how to do it. First of all, you have to count the number of digits. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of digits are same. So just look at the first digit. This is 4, this is 7. So you can just understand that which is the greater one. 7 is the greater one. Okay, the second one is again count the digit, number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of digits are same. So the first digit 3, 2. So this is the biggest one. Here also number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same. So now look at the first digit 9 same. 00 same, 99 same, 009, here 008. So this one is greater one. Clear? Here also number of digits are same and even digits are also same. 4, 91, 03, 689, 689. So equal to sign will be there. So again number of digits are same. So look at the first digit 99 same. When the digits are same, then we will move to the next digit. Again 00 same. So here 0 and 6. So 6 will be the greater one. This is the method to compare the numbers. The next is arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. So here we have given 5 questions out of 5. I am just going to write 2 questions, the first one and the second one. So here students, in the first question, the same method, just count the number of digits. Here 9 digits, 8 digits, 8 digits, 9 digits and 7 digits. Okay. So we have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number, smallest to biggest. So which will be the smallest? With the 7 digits. So this is the number 1. Okay. Now out of these, here also 8 digits, here also 8 digits. And these two numbers, which is the smallest one? 2. So this is number 2 and this is number 3. Now here we have 9 digits. So this is the smallest number 1 because the first digit is smallest. This is 3, this is 8. This is smallest. So this is number 4 and this is number 5. Clear? The second one 9, 9, 9, 9 and 4. So this is 9 digit, 9 digits, 7 digits, 7 digits, 4. So this will be the smallest one. So this is the smallest one, number 1. And after these two are having 7 digits. So out of this, this is the 1 and this is the first digit is 1. Here first digit is 7. So this is the smallest one. So this is number 2 and this is number 3. And here both the numbers having 9 digits. It is starting with 4, it is starting with 5. So this will be the smallest and this is number 4 and this is number 5. So according to this number, you have to write the answers here. So this is your A part and this is your B part. The next one is arrange in descending order, mean biggest to smallest. Again A and B part I have done in the notebook. Part A and part B. So 9 digits, 7 digit, 9 digit, 7 digit, 5 digits. So you have to start with the biggest number. So these are with 9 digit. Okay, so which is the biggest one? This is 8 because the first digit is biggest and this is second. Okay, now we have 7 digits in these two numbers. So this is the biggest number because it is starting with the biggest digits. So this is the third, this is fourth and this is the fifth one. Clear? The next one is 9 digit, 7 digit, 9 digit. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 digit and this 7 digits. So we have 9 digit in 2 number. So it is starting with 3, it is starting with 4. So this is the first number, this is the second number and these 3 are having 7 digits. So out of 3, this is the biggest one. This is third number, then this is the fourth and this is the fifth. So arrange it and write it here. From biggest to smallest. This is biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest. Now question number 4 is write the smallest and the greatest number. So this is very important thing in class 4 also. So many children they have made the mistake. Students, here we have given the commas in all the digits. Okay, so they are digits. So they are asking you to form a number. So when you form a number, no need to put the comma in all the digits. Clear? If you put the comma, whether your answer is wrong or right, if your answer is right and you have written the comma, you have to put the comma here, your question will be wrong. Okay, so this is very clear. When you are writing a number, okay, out of digits, so no need to put the commas. Clear? The smallest, with the starting with the smallest number. So smallest is 0, but we never start our number with 0. So we will start with the 1, and after 1 we will write a 0. So this is the smallest number, and the greatest number, start from the back side. 7 4 3 2 1 0. 7 4 3 2 1 0, because 0 can be written at the last, but we cannot write a 0 from the, like in the beginning of a number. So the next is, this is the digits they have given. We have to form the smallest number. So here the smallest is 2, then 3, then 4, 2 5s we have given, 2 5, then 6, and then 8. And the greatest number, start from the last. 8 6 5 5 4 3 2. Now again we have to form the greatest number. First of all you just start with the smallest number. I told you that we never start a number with the 0. So after 0, which is the smallest one? 3. Then 3, after 3 we will write 0. 3 0 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then we have to change into the greatest number. So greatest number, 9 8 7 6 5 4 3, and last 0. Clear? Now we have next question. Sort out the smallest in the group. So you have to find out which is the smallest one. Same method, 9 digit, 9 digit, 9 digit, 7 digits. So this is the smallest. Here again count the digits, and this number is having least digits. Here 7 digit, 9 8 8. So number which is having 7 digit is the smallest number. So here we have same digits in all the number, 9 9 9 9. When we have the same digits, start with the first digit. So first digit is 3 4 3 8. So the number which is starting with the 3 are smallest. Now we have two numbers which are starting with the 3. So out of these two numbers, which is the smallest one? This is 3 3. The next number is 3, next number is 4. So this will be the smallest number. Okay. The last question of this exercise is, sort out the greatest number in the group in question number 5. Now in question number 5 we have already found that which is the smallest one. Now we have to find that which is the greatest one. So this is very simple. The smallest one with the smallest number of digits, and greatest one is the greatest. Now we have these three numbers starting with the having 9 digits. So out of this, look at the first number, 2 2 5. So this 5 will be the greatest one. Okay. So now here also the number starting with 8 will be the greatest. Here we have 9 8 8. So the number which is having 9 digit will be the greatest. Here we have 9 digit in all the numbers. So look at the first digit, 4 3 8. So 8 will be the greatest numbers. So children, we have done exercise 1.3. Okay, just note down in your notebook and revise it properly. Clear? Thank you very much.